My video is about getting rid of the ransomware called Virus. This ransomware is from the Medusa Locker family. However, my video is strictly for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting the ransomware. Before the ransomware's attack, you're able to open the data without troubles. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office documentation, and other data. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this ransomware called Virus may be very easily injected into the system. It actually appends this extension called Virus 3. I assume it could be different. The figure at the end could be different, I guess. The ransomware reveals this ransom note titled as How to Back Files. It tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. On the other hand, paying the ransom is not a good idea. There is no guarantee that your data will be restored even if you pay the ransom, so don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. What I recommend you to do right now is to thoroughly scan your system with the help of reliable antivirus, and I recommend you to use Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download it, install the program, and once it gets successfully installed, start researching the system. Combo Cleaner, by the way, is initially in the trial mode and only quick scan option is available. After the anti-malware database gets successfully updated, Combo Cleaner Antivirus begins scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on your system. You can upgrade to Premium, and this way you can request trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner at any time. Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files, and there is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt files. But still, Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to remove this ransomware and to protect your data. Speaking about file decryption, you can find a special link in the description to this video which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data that was encrypted by this ransomware.